It's okay. No problem. Just start.
All right. Thanks again for joining me. I'm gonna start sharing my presentation. So what I'm gonna talk about today is basically about Google Slide. Have you ever used that?
Yeah, occasionally.
Okay, awesome. What one can do to use Google Slide, you can go to Google search and so I'm just trying to adjust this so that I can cover you.
Yeah, carry on.
Okay, click on that. There are many ways to go to Google Slide. You can either go via Google Drive, or you can slide through and you find it here. So
Please.
So I'm gonna use Google Drive.
Okay. Hello.
Yep. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I have some issues with the screen. I think screen doesn't get loaded.
All right. So once you do that, you just
no.
Okay. Then you can go click on New and go to Google Slide. You can click on that directly.
Okay.
And there you have your slides. If you, for example, want to change the layout of the slide, you can go to Layout and select whichever layout you would like. I think I'm gonna go for, let's see, this one. Okay, and you can add the topic. Oops. And let's say if you would like to add pictures, you can go to images. You can upload something from the computer. It can be your PowerPoint, or it can be your video from your computer or from your drive, or photos. But sometimes maybe you would like, for example, to take a picture.
Yeah.
And you can take a picture of yourself. Okay, and then you can click insert. And then you can actually modify this picture in many ways. Okay, you can use like the equation or callouts or arrows or shapes. Let's say, for example, we use this. You see what happens to the picture. You see? Yeah. So you can basically choose whichever way you want the picture to be. And so you can also use shapes. and errors. Right, and there are many things that you can do with this. It's more or less the same as a PowerPoint, but I think there are just some features
Oh, right.
that one can get from Google Slide than you get from PowerPoint. And
Okay.
once you're done, then you can share it. Where is it?
Okay.
With your friends, or to your email address. I mean, via yeah, you can use your email address. Oops. Yes, so there is a button for sharing. So type in the title, like maybe ecosystem. Sorry, I just use a different picture. I mean, I have a title as ecosystem, but I have a picture of. But you can basically Google, for example, the picture of different type of ecosystem like the desert, savanna, and marine, and just adjust it. Put it based on the topic that you actually busy with. But anyway,
Oh,
yes.
yeah, right.
So okay, I can say save. Yeah, and then you can send it, add to people. If you have a group of emails that you have, you can send it to that, or to yourself, or you can get a link which you can send to people. You just copy it there.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah. So that's basically it, but you can also do really a lot of things with this, like uh, you use these lines like Scribble. It's actually a nice one for signing. I'm hearing some noise on the background.
Yeah, the phone. It's a phone call.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so there are many features that you can use, and you just have to play around with it, and then you figure out what you like and what you don't really like. Yeah, so basically that's it about Google Slide. I think I like it more than the PowerPoint. Obviously, PowerPoint is good, but I think this is just cool. Thanks. Do you have any question about this? Hello? Can you hear me? What? I think the connection.
No, I haven't gone. I'm here. I'm
Okay.
here only.
Yeah. Do you have
Hello.
do you have any questions about this? Should I wrap up my presentation?
Yeah, you can complete your recording and wrap it up. Okay, it's a really nice presentation. I enjoyed watching your slide presentation. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thanks so much for watching. And as I said again, Google Slide is just another way of doing kind of like a presentation. PowerPoint is kind of sort of like a PowerPoint presentation, but it's really nice and fun.
Collaboration.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks so much for joining.
Oh, it's okay. Welcome. I enjoyed the session. Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.